Fix Sechost.dll is missing or not found error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Re-register the DLL file. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Fix 2. Update Windows. Apply all the available Windows updates to make sure that the system is patched with all bug fixes from Microsoft. Fix 3. Check for corrupted files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 4. Use System Restore. Fix 5. Reset Windows.